Well, hey folks, FGFRC. We're gonna take up the Vmar Stick, ugly stick, and have a little fun. Just a simple 4-channel plane. I'm running a 2200 3S Smart Pack, and my receiver is a Admiral Stability Plus. I think that's what it's called. Anyway, it's got gyro and self-level and all that, but all I'm using, of course, is the AS3X version of wind mitigation. All right, let's take her up and see if we can't have some fun with it. I haven't flown this plane in a hot minute, so I'm the only pilot here again, unlike the other day. Okay, right, left, up, down, right, left. Timer set for 5 minutes. This is a balsa and pine construction. Turn the motor on, always helps. Okay. Landing gear is very, very weak on this. They really splay out, but they bend right back, and well, you know, hey. Good looking plane. Needs a lot of up trim in the elevator. Yeah. That explains why the trim was so strong. It was like a negative or positive 20-something% on the monitor. I'm like, why has it got so much up elevator? Now I understand. Oh, I'm maxed out on my elevator now, and she still wanting to dive. I might have a mechanical problem. I checked that earlier. She seemed tight, but maybe it's starting to come loose. And then one control surface you don't want to lose is your elevator. Yeah. The one you can lose and still control the plane pretty well is the rudder. But if you got ailerons and elevator, you're good. But usually the elevator, yeah, the clevis looks like it moves a little bit. I need to anchor that down, so I'm not gonna take. I thought that seemed solid earlier, but let me see. Oh yeah, I can move it. Yeah, well, that's not good. I'm lucky I didn't have trad. Well, I did my pre-flight, but now that I've had stress on it, see, I shouldn't be able to move that clevis like that. And since this is all balsa and wood, I could put Loctite on that and keep that from going. Well, yeah, should have caught that during the pre-flight, but I didn't. All right, well, that explains why I needed all that elevator. Well, I'm very, very fortunate I didn't lose my airplane, but hey, you know, this is just part of it. Y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I feel kind of stupid now. Bye, y'all. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then planes. Bye-bye.